Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geek and welcome to another video in my PC build series. This is the power supply unit. This is the Novatech Power Station 100V2 Black Edition. It's a semi-modular design, so some of the cables are already connected. The rest of the connectors are actually supplied in this nice sort of bag. Very, very nicely organised. Now if we take a look round on this side of the power supply, you'll see the main input here for your IEC mains cable and the on-off switch. Now we've got this honeycomb design, and this is for really good ventilation, advanced and improved cooling thanks to this particular design. And then round on this side here, we have got a plethora of cables, all of the main cables coming out, and then we've got this semi-modular design where you're going to plug in extra connectors here. Now with regards to the extra connections and all of the cables that are supplied, we have got one 24-pin connector, 6 hard drives, 2 floppy disk drives, 6 SATA connectors, 1 4+4 pin, 1 8-pin and 6 PCI Express connectors as well. So everything you're going to need for your particular build. Now again, I say this in a lot of the videos for this particular PC build series, but the actual design of this build is primarily red and black. So again, this is going to really match the system and look absolutely superb. A great choice if you're looking for a 1000-watt power supply without spending too much money. This is a great value option, but at the same time, a really good performer, and 85% energy efficiency on this at 50% load. So really a very, very good choice. This is the Novatech Power Station version 2, 1000-watt Black Edition power supply. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this PC build series, please do check out the playlist link in the video description, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see another video of mine, please do click the annotation on the top of your screen now, and also you can click the annotation on the bottom of your screen and subscribe to the Geek channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.